एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, मेरी एक वीडियो ले देंगे प्लीज।
Hello, Namaste, Adab, and welcome to Tia Talks. When I think of my first guest on the show, a warmth spreads across my heart. और एक मुस्कुराहट अपने आप मेरे चेहरे तक रास्ता ढूंढ लेती है. It's not just the beautiful, ever-present smile that she herself is known for. It's the sheer joy of thinking about the most kind-hearted, graceful, and wonderful human being that she is. I truly believe that she is God's child. She is the epitome of what happens when passion, talent, and divine timing come together in the most beautiful way. The woman whom the world fondly calls वो तो actor है, meaning she is the very definition of what it means to be a brilliant actor. I welcome you with all respect, admiration, and excitement. Your presence in this world is an inspiration, and we're all better because of it. आइए स्वागत कीजिए टिया टॉक्स के पहले एपिसोड पर सबसे खास विद्या बालन का.
क्या बात है. थैंक यू फॉर दैट ब्यूटीफुल वेलकम.
No, I thought कि मैं पहले आपके I'll talk about all the accolades and stuff. फिर मुझे लगा we all know about it and we are all very happy and proud about it. But I don't know, I just felt like I should write something from my heart. So to begin with, I would like to know, ma'am, how were you as a kid? As in, आपके घर में पिटाई पड़ती थी आपको और प्रिया मैम को वगैरह ऐसा कुछ strict?
प्रिया, who is actually 4 years older than me, वो घर की बच्ची थी. I was the responsible one. I was always very obedient. उस जमाने में तो मार पड़ती थी, हाँ, माँ से. पर इससे पहले कि मुझे मार पड़े मैं सॉरी बोल देती थी. और वो पागल है प्रिया, वो बहुत मस्ती करती थी और उसकी थोड़ी बहुत पिटाई हुई है. Kids from the neighborhood used to come and say, विद्दू दीदी जरा प्रिया को बुलाना, and I'd be like, hello. Because you know they felt like she was one of them. I think I was very sincere. I think my mother says that I was probably born a woman. Yeah.
Wow.
But I've lightened up over the years. I actually feel younger now. And it was a very regular, middle class, Palakkad Tam upbringing in Chembur. We used to be out. I used to have a cycle, BSA SLR.
Yes.
I used to be riding away all over Chembur. And you know, I had really curly hair. Like Kangana curly hair, by the way. And my hair used to fly as I was riding the cycle. And people would say, hey, Medusa. No. And initially I didn't know what it was. I was a kid.
Yeah.
Then I came back and I asked my sister, I said, what is this? And she told me Medusa had snakes in her hair. And I was like, oh, wow. But कोई फिक्र ही नहीं थी. It was just a simple, beautiful, culturally strong upbringing, because we grew up in an environment where there were people from all communities, but lots from ours. And I remember the festivals were so beautiful, Tia. It used to be one, you know, during Diwali, outside the buildings, women would put the rangoli, and there was competition कि हमारा better है कि तुम्हारा better है. You know, Diwali के वक्त सब मिठाइयाँ साथ में बनती थी. You know, if you wanted to make laddus, you'd come to my house, we'll all make laddus together. Tomorrow, barfi at your house. And we had lots of classical Carnatic concerts that we went to.
I was actually going to ask, the next question was about music. Is there an MS Amma influence in your household and your house?
I used to wake up to
Suprabhatam.
Yeah. And at that time, I'm telling you, when we were growing up, it would be like, why early in the morning do you have to play this, you know? But my mother would, firstly to wake us up, she would put off the fan.
Correct, same.
And open the pardas, and it would be like, why are you doing this? You're so
I think
mean.
the idea was कि चलो कम से कम पंखा on करने के लिए तो उठेंगे.
Exactly. और फिर time पे उठ जाते थे. And you know, I remember my mother putting water wiping the floor outside the door and putting rangoli first thing in the morning. Then that smell of coffee. And that was one time you couldn't disturb my mother. That was her time. That was whatever 5, 6, 7 minutes. Hot coffee. And even today, Tia, 3 बजते हैं तो मैं दूध नहीं पीती. पर वो दूध वाली कॉफी, साउथ इंडियन कॉफी का जो स्मेल है ना, it rises up my nostrils somehow. And I feel like, कोई तो दे दो.
No, I completely agree. All of us
and
have
the
some
cooker ki seeti, oh my god, which is why I loved Tumhari Sulu, you know. Suresh brought in those elements in that film.
Too good. No, Suresh sir से मैंने I met him at a screening recently. So I told him कि आपने तो ऐसा लगता है कि you've read all of our diaries.
Yeah.
You know that all the things that we said,
Yeah,
we miss
yeah,
this,
yeah,
we
yeah.
miss the smell of that, or you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about your college life? And मुझे ये पता है कि आपने sociology करा था college में. How was your
MA
canteen?
किया मैंने.
I'm sorry. You've done
I
MA and you're like the biggest
No,
star in the
but
country.
I
It's so cool.
wanted to buy time
अच्छा.
because my mother was saying, your friends are all working.
working, हाँ, start
They were
working.
doing internships. Some of them were doing MBA. So my mother was like, what are you doing? ये acting का शौक छोड़ दो. Because before I started my first year of MA, I got my first Malayalam film. So then I was only buying time Tia. उसके लिए पढ़ाई करनी पड़ी पर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, and I fared like decently.
Yeah. This last time when I came to your place, I remember seeing Woody Allen का एक coffee table book.
हाँ.
ठीक है, and the first thing I thought to myself was, sometime in life I'll sit down and I'll talk to you about Woody Allen films. I've even put mine on
Yes,
the
I
table.
saw that. I have the same.
Same?
Yeah.
Oh shucks. What are your favorite films? Like,
So
any of
many,
them?
you know, there's Manhattan's, Crimes and Misdemeanors, Husbands and Wives, Purple Rose of
Hannah
Cairo,
Sisters.
Hannah Sisters. So many. मैं तो आधी फिल्मों के नाम भूल गई हूँ. And actually, I'm giving you the names, but if you ask me what happens
Which is-
in
which one,
I will not be able to tell you because I don't remember films like that, sadly.
Correct, yeah, it's okay.
But there are moments from these films that he's just crazy.
Yeah.
That inconfident, bumbling idiot in each one of us
Correct.
finds expression through him.
Correct. All the overthinking that we
Yeah,
do. and stuff.
yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम औरतों के दिमाग में जो खुराफात चलता है ना, I don't think everybody is able to guess
Right.
or even put that on paper.
You know, I've been saying this for a couple of years now to all those who will listen, that, you know, we are not having fun in the female-led
Yeah,
film
yeah.
space. We're taking ourselves too seriously.
Yeah, correct.
And ये जो दुनिया का भार उठा के चलना, you know, and in all those films it was about women finding their voice, which was great. But I think now it's time to really move forward. It's not my kind of film. There must be art in it, but it's not my kind where आप दूर से कैरेक्टर को देख रहे हो, उसके दिमाग कुछ मतलब बाहर बारिश पड़ रही है और आप सोच रहे हो कि तभी याद आता है कि oh, I've forgotten to call so and so person. Oh, yeah, because you're bored.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
I just feel कि ये we have to get rid of pretense.
Correct. Okay. So I know that Before Sunset is one of your favorite films.
Yes, because how often has it happened in life, Tia, that not just in a romantic situation, right? That you were hoping for something to happen and it doesn't happen. And it happens at a time when you feel that it's not relevant anymore. That thing is so beautiful. And these two actors, and I had the biggest crush on Julie Delpy because my God, they made the cutest couple. I was hoping they'd get together.
Yeah. I for the longest time I thought they were
Yeah.
together. I would like to ask you, do you look at when you watch a film character arcs वगैरह आपको what do you
मुझे
think
अगर
about-
मजा आया ना,
हाँ.
see I'm not a trained actor, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कैरेक्टर आर्क स्टोरी का मुझे मजा आया तो बस.
Yeah.
But I think there are moments that touch you that just stay with you. That like Sridevi in Mr. India, every moment of course is a masterpiece. She says, आज शाम सूख गया क्या? And they say नहीं 2 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया. And that expression of hers, and then when she brings the food and she offers the food and the kids are hesitant to take it, and she says मुझे तो बहुत भूख लगी है मैं खाने वाली हूँ. You know, I just want to like, how does someone do something like these are things that don't leave you.
Correct.
You know, when Golmaal, the old Golmaal, when
Oh yes.
Acha?
Oh my God.
You know, when you see
Arey
Utpal Dutt
yaar,
do
no,
that.
no.
Yeah.
And I think, and I feel Kader Khan, Utpal Dutt, these people, they pull off the same thing. मतलब उनका style throughout their films, and we enjoy every single time. Nobody's complaining. ये तो एक ही type का है. कुछ नहीं. Like the moment you say, अच्छा, even if you don't mention.
Yeah.
मेरे सामने वो soda glasses और वो बड़ी-बड़ी आँखें और.
And मैं से ताक खेला.
Yeah. Sometimes I wish, you know, कि मैं काश एक ऐसे era में पैदा होती जहाँ पे when Utpal Dutt and everybody was doing theatre, and you know, I would have loved to watch. Like I am a big Basu Chatterjee and Hrishikesh Mukherjee fan.
Oh, I love their films.
Big, हाँ, मतलब छोटी सी बात तो मुझे लगता है कोई नींद में भी बोलेगा मैं बाकी चीजें वो प्रभा और you know, I will keep saying all those things.
I wish I was born 40 years before my time.
अरे यार.
And I'd worked with Hrishikesh Mukherjee, Basu Chatterjee, like you said. Gulzar Saab.
Yeah, crazy.
And I would have also courted him.
ये अलग ही
I love him.
yeah. Okay, so we'll play a quick game.
Yeah.
तो इसमें क्या है कि you have to make a painting for me. Anything.
Okay, painting मैं बोलूँ मैंने after drawing mountains and a sun emerging
नहीं वही
from
वही
the
और
back
and
and
with
a
the
house.
hut हाँ
Yeah.
बस वही चाहिए. Doesn't matter. So this is just to and I'll be asking you weird questions. मतलब weird मतलब ऐसे random चीजें है ना. मैम elaborate रखिएगा मेरे सवाल खत्म नहीं होंगे अभी. आराम से
अच्छा.
take your time and enjoy it. Like पूरा shading वेडिंग करके बनाई.
Yes, this is too much now. This is pressure.
Okay. 7 plus 3
10,
plus 8
18,
plus 2
20.
आपको ये टंग ट्विस्टर बोलना है ठीक है. पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
पीतल के पपीते
Very nice.
पीतल के पीते क्या
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला पीतल के पतीले में पतीला पीला पीला करेक्ट
पपीता
नहीं
ठीक है. फर्स्ट दूरदर्शन शो दैट यू रिमेम्बर वाचिंग.
हम लोग
If you were on All India Radio, what would your show be called? All India Radio.
पीतल के पतीले में
पपीता
पपीता पीला पीला
Which retro sound do you miss the most? Rotary dial, TV static, or cassette rewind?
टीवी स्टैटिक
Okay. If Doordarshan had a podcast in the 80s and 90s, who would host it according to you? 80s, 90s में Doordarshan का
तबस्सुम
podcast.
जी
For some turkey.
Yeah.
So cute, no? Your voice just got stuck in 1986. What's the first thing you say on air and you can't say good morning Mumbai?
हेलो नमस्ते वणक्कम
If Silk from the Dirty Picture had a monologue on Doordarshan, what would she say?
she would have to be mute
Static, TV static sound.
yeah
Okay. Black and white drama or early color serials?
black and white drama any day
Give us your best.
no actually black and white hey Chiman Rao you remember watching have you ever oh you're not from
हम लोग I watched.
no but in Maharashtra we had a Marathi show called Chiman Rao
Oh.
I remember there was one episode in which he had conjunctivitis and he wrote a letter to his boss saying my eyes have come
Wow.
yeah if damn funny
Give us your best fake ad line for a miracle hair oil. Miracle hair oil.
अगर बालन के बाल जैसे अगर आप भी चाहते हैं बालन जैसे बाल तो लगाइए बैलेंस केश तेल What rubbish
No, but it's nice, no? If Silk and Parinita met for coffee, what would they gossip about?
Silk would teach her the ropes
Oh, right. If Rekha, Smita Patil and Shabana Azmi were guests on your vintage podcast, what's the one question you would ask all three of them?
which is a one film of each other that they'd like to do
Oh, माशाल्लाह. यार ये बहुत सुंदर है. मतलब I'm not.
Yeah?
Please look at it. Yeah.
फूल जैसी टिया के लिए एक और फूल
But it's actually very fitting. I think the color बचा लिया. ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अगला एक सवाल है मेरे पास जो आपके एक फैन ने पूछा. मेरी एक फ्रेंड है तो she is asked when the switch actually happens. मतलब if you want to become an actor or if you are working hard for something else and whatever. When the switch actually happens and you come on the other side, how does that actually feel?
I've been working with a healer for 14 years now. I've learned something over the years that a lot of times in life we ask for things, and especially now with, you know, saying ask the universe and the universe will give you,
Manifestation and stuff, yes, yes.
what you want. We ask for things, but we are not often ready
to
for
receive
what, to receive it and for what that actually means. So I think I also realized in retrospect that, you know, after the release of Parinita, for example, it released on the 10th of June up to at least the 1st of July when my family and I took off for a few days. We'd gone to Tirupati. Until then, our phone was ringing constantly day and night. It was a crazy time, and I think I didn't get an opportunity to actually sit back and say, this is what I've been wanting. Because, you know, of course I'm fortunate that there's been a career post that, but I'm saying I started, I think, moving on to the next thing rapidly because it was too overwhelming for me to actually face up to the fact that I had gotten what I wanted. So it is a bit, it's terrifying, it's confusing, it's even shocking to the system sometimes.
ये कैसे हो गया?
Yeah, ये कैसे हो गया?
नहीं,
मुझे चाहिए
नहीं,
था।
नहीं।
Sometimes we just want to keep wanting.
Wanting, yeah.
We don't
True,
want to
true,
get
true.
what we want.
True. थिएटर के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? I know that you do watch plays. I remember I think on Instagram I saw that you'd gone for a play. Amrita Subhash ma'am के play
Yes,
के लिए
yes, yes,
गए थे,
yes.
हाँ. तो generally
फिर
what
से
do you-
honeymoon.
हाँ हाँ
I
correct.
love that play
Yeah.
so much so that I watched it twice.
Oh is it? Oh.
I went once and then I wanted Siddharth to watch it.
So you
Watch it
said
again.
चलो फिर से honeymoon चलते हैं.
Yeah, yeah. I don't watch plays very often. Again, I do feel that there's a certain theatrical tone of voice and there's a certain demeanor that puts me off completely. I remember seeing Nasir Saab's play, Lajo.
Okay.
There's no human, there's no other actor on stage. He's lusting after a maid and you actually see the maid.
But there's no maid.
Yeah, there is no maid, but the way it was just beautiful, you know. So those kind of performances, the intimate performances,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
enjoy, but I don't always enjoy.
I get it.
Yeah, you know, I think I'm more a film person. I
No,
enjoy
that's
film as a
completely-
medium
yeah,
more
yeah,
than I
yeah.
do theatre.
Another thing that I found very interesting is how when you speak Malayalam or when you speak Bangla or Hindi, there is no accent, and I think that's like.
But I
a
speak terrible Malayalam.
That to that's I think because you were not
Also,
even,
also Tambra.
Uh-huh.
No? So and then there's a Bombay version of it.
Correct,
So
correct.
it's
Yeah,
quite,
yeah,
but it's our own version.
yeah,
and I
yeah,
love
yeah,
it.
yeah. How come you and Anurag Basu have never done a film together?
Why don't you ask Anurag Basu
I
that?
did.
Huh.
So now
He called me for Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
I know.
Yeah, and I said, listen, I want to do
Yeah,
films.
films.
So at the moment I'm not doing television, and he says, मैंने मन में सोचा कि हर कोई शाहरुख खान थोड़ी बनता है. So he always tells me, you know, I admire that you had that conviction. I said, I just had hunger and dreams. Yeah, मुझे conviction
And thank
का
God you
पता
did.
नहीं है, but thank God it worked
Yeah.
out for me. But I don't know. I
हर
would
कोई
have
विद्या बालन
loved
भी
to.
नहीं बनता. नहीं और क्या? And he even told me that he had a crush on your sister.
Yes, he did. But yeah, I would love to work with him.
Yeah, please do now. We would love to see you.
Yeah, I'd love
और क्या?
to.
So cool. अच्छा, we'll go into another small game.
Yeah.
So we'll play taboo. जिसमें आपको एक चीट उठाना है. जो word आएगा आप थोड़ा act करके बता सकते हैं या फिर you can just say words that can make the other person guess. You want to start?
Yeah.
दो parts हैं इसके. First part.
This is English.
Yeah,
huh?
okay, English. हाँ. हिंदी वाला second.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Second part?
हाँ. Books. लकड़ी. Bookshelf. Cupboard. Almira. Steel almira. 2 words, no? No, steel almira. Nice.
Hindi. क्या आटा बना रही हो? रोटी? हाँ? वो उसको क्या कहते हैं? हाँ? नहीं, चटनी. चटनी को जिसमें बनाते हैं वो क्या कहते हैं? ग्राइंडर.
Okay.
हाफ. सिलाई. सिल्वर सिल्वट नहीं. सिलबटा.
Ah.
I was like,
Nice.
Silvat? The theme of today's interview.
दूरदर्शन.
Yes!
अरे ये तो बड़ा आसान था यार.
लुंगी डांस. लुंगी स्कर्ट. हाँ. छोले घाघरा. हाँ.
That's the one.
अच्छा. उफ.
नखरा.
Another word for it. Okay.
English.
No.
हिंदी. दो parts. पहला part. No.
हाँ.
Okay. ग्लास. पानी. आइस क्यूब.
पानी किसमें भर के रखते हैं? वो नहीं बोल सकती थी ना.
टंकी.
या.
नौटंकी. ऐसा क्या लिख दिया है? हिंदी 2.
No.
अच्छा हाँ 2 पार्ट्स हैं. सेकेंड पार्ट इज इंग्लिश. ओके. कट.
Then
हल कट. नहीं. पीसना. अरे
I don't know how to say this. Chirkut.
बिल्कुल. Oh.
Eyebrows. Parlor. Beauty parlor.
हिंदी कट. हाँ. फर्स्ट पार्ट. नथ. वुमन महिला औरत सिंदूर शादीशुदा. घर है उसका.
शादी के बाद वाला घर.
ससुराल. ये तो बड़ा obvious है.
पैसे गिन रही हो. हाँ. चोरी. तुम पैसे गिन रही हो. तुम्हारे ही पैसे हैं. हाँ. हाँ. हिंदी. Sounds like सब्जी काटना. अंगूठी. उंगलियां. उंगली. फिंगर्स. सब्जी उंगली. उंगली को ही काट दिया. What does it look like? Lady finger. भिंडी. भिंडी बाजार. नहीं क्या? Sounds like अपने ही पैसे. भिंडी. चिंदी. चिंदी.
बोल. हाँ हाँ. टीवी. ओके. एड्स.
क्या चलता है टीवी पे?
सीरियल. एड्स. सीरियल. एड्स.
सीरियल का दूसरा नाम आजकल क्या बोलते हैं ओटीटी पे?
वेब सीरीज.
और क्या बोलते हैं?
वेब शो.
Okay, that's the
Second
first.
part is show.
No, first part is
First
show.
part is show.
Second part is
Sleep. Show. नींद. लेटे हुए हैं. Lying.
ले.
शोले.
Not bad.
We have a hamper for you for the taboo round. It's a particular kind of fruit. It's called mangosteen. Have you had mangosteen?
Oh, I love mangosteen.
हाँ, so
I've
this
had
is-
every time in Bangkok.
Oh wow.
Because my sister lived there
Oh wow.
for a bit, so I used to have mangosteen and
Yeah.
rambutan daily for breakfast.
Arey wow. So yeah, so this fresh, organic, yummy mangosteen will reach you next month because that is when they ripen naturally. So this will reach your house.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you a very weird thing. I don't know if you've observed ऐसा कुछ. Whenever I see people's noses, so I always see a paisley design. यहाँ से अगर आप देखते हैं ना, you see a paisley.
Oh, I haven't thought of
And
that.
every time I see you on screen, you have the perfect paisley design under your nose. Have you
Really?
thought of it? The perfect, and therefore I think you have the perfect nose. मतलब not ये science नहीं है,
Thank you.
but I just
My
thought,
mother says I have her father's nose.
no, is it?
And she says my father had the best nose.
See, then I think I'm not lying. I would like to talk about Kahani, the film. I know you've spoken about it a lot. If somebody doesn't like Kahani, they haven't seen it.
Oh, it's so interesting. I've never thought about that, but not one person
Never, anywhere.
has said I didn't like Kahani.
Yeah, and you know, होता है ना कि फिल्म से आप instantly थोड़े फिलहाल के लिए से थोड़े influence भी होते हो. We came down from the movie वाला this thing, and I really wanted to pee. And मैं गई तो वहाँ पे ladies वाली line बहुत लंबी थी. You know, just because I had just come out from the कहानी feel, I told people that I was pregnant, and I said कि मुझे washroom जाना है and ये वो, and they moved, and then they gave me way, and then I used this pregnancy thing so many
What
places.
are you saying?
And this is, I know this is the worst association that anybody must have done to कहानी the movie, but I'm saying कि कभी-कभी कुछ चीज़ें ना आपको instantly इतना वो कर जाती हैं. Like even the look, you made that look so pretty. Even when you came out of the airport like a penguin, you know.
Thank you.
It
I
looked
think
so
it was
good.
I loved the look because it was so real and yet
Comfortable.
it was very individual.
Yeah,
You know, the
yeah,
character
yeah,
came
yeah,
through,
yeah.
and that Sabyasachi did my clothes for the
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
I loved those long dresses,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
prints he used, and the chata I would
Yeah,
walk
correct,
around
correct,
with.
yeah.
Also because she came from London, and in London you had
yeah.
an umbrella handy always because
Correct,
it would
rains,
start raining.
right.
So you know, little things that we did, and Just the way the hair was always loosely like tied, and it wasn't
It is,
too
I think
fussy.
it's
And
perfect. In fact, even when the character pulls out the
Stomach.
the tummy, you're still thinking कि क्या हो रहा है? You're shocked, but you still don't know what's happening.
but do you know how we shot it, Tia?
Huh?
Only Shujoy, me, and the person putting in the money, besides the DOP team. Not even the DOP team, the DOP knew
What?
what the story was.
Oh my God.
No one else did. Those last few pages of the film were not even given to any of the actors. You know, and I
Wow.
remember so clearly that shot. We were shooting in the middle of Durga Puja. So we were shooting through the night. And at 3:30 or something, they came and said, okay, ready. The pulling out of the stomach. When I went there and did that, you know, I don't think most of the team was also tired.
Tired,
They're sleepy. I don't
registered.
think they paid much attention. They were curious, but they weren't like... And then when people watched the film, even from our own team, it was
Yeah.
like, and that collective gasp was like, it was just another feeling. But that is Shujoy Ghosh for you.
Amazing.
He is one of the most intelligent minds. I remember when I watched the film and I came out and I hugged him and cried. Because we'd also gone through a lot to make this film.
Yeah.
You know, and I cannot tell you, we worked so hard on that film, we hardly had any breaks. By the end of it, I thought I would have a nervous breakdown. I was that exhausted, but in a good way.
way,
You know, it was like,
अच्छा आपकी एक म्यूजिक वीडियो है मैं अपने गांव शुभा मुदगल जी की आवाज में है अगेन वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई एम वेरी जेलस ऑफ यू दैट यू गॉट टू वर्क विद माधवी मैम इट इज सो एंड यू ये तो आपको पता ही है दैट यू लुक लाइक हर एंड
so many people have told me that. You know, I was doing an ad film, and I remember this Bengali director duo. They first mentioned Madhuri Mukherjee, and I was like, they said, you don't know who she is. Go check her out. When you wear the big bindi, you look exactly like her. Watch Charulata. I went and watched Charulata. And then when I started working with Pradeep Sarkar, with Dada on, you know, ads and things like that, and he told me he was doing lots of music videos at that time. He was casting for this music video, and he told me I have the story of a granddaughter, grandmother, and I want you and Madhuri Di to do it. We had gone for an ad film shoot to Kolkata, so we went and met her in her house. And you know, Tia, what a crazy thing happened. When I walked into the house, I'd worn really big sunglasses, and then of course I walked in and I took them out. We were talking and everything, and she started showing us pictures. And in one of those pictures, she had the exact same frames that I was wearing that day. That was really eerie.
yeah.
So I said, Acha, I couldn't work with Manikda, at least I worked with his muse.
no, of course. So, coming to this point, there is a world that used to that described wrinkles or fine lines or laugh lines, you know, in such poetry and in with such beauty that you might feel like getting one of those. कि यार मेरे क्यों नहीं आ रहे? ऐसा type, you know. And now we are in an era where the slightest of lines is like the biggest of issues for people. No judgment. People can get anything that they want to get done on their bodies with their bodies. What do you think about these things? And
See, personally speaking, I'm completely averse to it.
Yeah.
To each his own. Everyone must do what they want. But I feel that Bhagwan ne diya hai, bahut acha diya hai.
correct.
Even, you know, a lot of people now ask me about my weight release journey. You know, and they tell me, have you had any of those drugs? And I'm like, no, I haven't. Because I feel ki jo hai, so hai. I like to do it the natural way. I like the fact that I'm 46 years old. I've enjoyed, you know, this journey that these 46 years have meant. And whatever it brings with it.
But you know what the sad part is? That these are 21-year-old girls who are looking at filling their laugh lines. And I know of a person,
आप
somebody.
ये सब कर लोगे, आप इसको
हाँ,
ना
correct.
fill करके बदल नहीं
Correct.
सकते.
And she said कि किसी ने बोला कि मेरे ना फोटो वगैरह में eyes hollow दिख रही हैं, तो I'll get fillers.
Get a better photographer.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to change by
दिखाओ से
changing.
मत
मत
खा
खा
रहे
रहे
हो.
हो.
Correct.
You can't change that, na. Embrace it.
True. So with this, I wanted to talk about mental health a little more. Strength and vulnerabilities of the mind. I keep thinking now that we are far away from school and everything, कि school में, if they had given us a toolkit of our own engineering, you know, like, okay, such situations will come, it's okay. You have a toolkit from where you can procure tools and you can use and you can, you know, get out of it. Now, chalo theek hai, therapy is an option, but therapy is also expensive.
Yes,
It's
it is.
not.
But there are, I have to tell you, there are lots of free possibilities available online.
So what do you think, like a personal hygiene for mental health, if you say? जैसे पहले बोलते थे ना, mantra of life. Do you have something like that? Like for example, a friend of mine once taught me, whenever you have a negative thought that you know that you're not liking, or somebody says something which is not in good this thing for you, so she would say just say cancel, cancel, cancel in your mind. So you practice ऐसा कि आपका automatically when you do that, then the mind stops thinking about it. So I thought I use it a lot. ऐसा कुछ do you have some mantra like that you think?
I think all of us need to work on just feeling better about ourselves. Need to work on loving and accepting ourselves just the way we are. I know it's a very tall ask, especially in this world, but nothing is impossible.
True. Okay, so there is this saying, ये हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने लिखा था, अगर मन का हो तो अच्छा,
अगर ना हो तो और भी अच्छा.
ठीक है,
मैं ये मानती हूँ.
नहीं, सच बात भी है. Now I'm in a phase in life where I completely agree with it, and I see where it comes from and everything. But there are a lot of people who are still struggling with the idea कि हाँ ठीक है, but कब तक सोचते रहोगे कि मेरा मन का हो नहीं हो रहा या मुझे जो ठीक नहीं हो रहा, कब तक आप लगे रहोगे? What do you have to say to that?
I feel that आपको आम खाना है. आम का सीजन नहीं है. और आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपको आम नहीं मिल सकता. तो आप अगर अपने आप को कोसते रहोगे कि मुझे आम खाने को नहीं मिल रहा है, तो फिर गलती किसकी है? You have to wait for the season.
यार आप तो बड़े ऐसे 22 वाली बात है, क्या बात है यार? So cool.
No, but it's true.
Yeah.
So you have to wait for. जब सीजन होगा तो मुझे मिलेगा.
Correct.
पर होता ऐसा है कि जब सीजन भी आता है ना, तो आप ऑलरेडी इतने बिटर हो चुके हो कि आपको डायबिटीज होता है और आप मैंगो खा नहीं पाते.
Very true.
There is no point being bitter.
Yeah, very true.
I just want to be happy in the moment. You can't always be happy. इस मोमेंट में खुश रहो, अगले का पता नहीं. I feel so blessed. One of the best gifts my mother has given me is introduced me to my healer 14 years ago. And it's changed my life. Which is why if I could gift everyone in the world one thing, it would be healing sessions. And with my healer. She's the best.
How wonderful. This piece of advice that you had given me at this one phase in my life, I was like, ऐसा है, मैं तो कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा, या फिर I was giving auditions, I wouldn't get roles. Then it'd be कि audition नहीं मिल रहा है, audition ही नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसे अलग steps में. So you said something and it completely changed my life. You said it's great. This is what you want to do. You are at it. You are working very good. But do something on the side. It is a very small thing, but that took so much steam of my life. And I remember you saying, I don't care if I see you selling Rajma Chawal in 7 bungalows, but whatever you want to do it on the side so that.
And exactly the same thing, ना. नहीं तो क्या होता है, Tia? We are expecting someone to come, so it's the opportunity. By standing at the door, it's not going to come earlier.
True.
Instead, if you get busy with your work, and I say this to all aspiring actors, they ask me, what's the one thing I keep saying? Listen, don't just focus on this. Correct. Because when you wait for the phone to ring, the phone goes dead. Yeah. Forget
you
ringing.
You start and checking also. Yeah. Okay. What do you think about adult friendships, especially amongst women?
I've not been able to make any friends in my adult life, and I've lost touch with most of my friends from childhood. I think there is an innate inability in me to sustain friendships, and I've come to accept that. Also because I think, especially in the past 20 years, because I'm in such a public profession, I enjoy my being with myself. Also, my life completely changed. And of course my life changed, I must have changed, but also the people around me changed. And I just at a certain point, and I tried very hard to convince people that I was the same person, now I don't feel the need to do that. I feel that I am who I am, and I don't want to diminish that. At the same time, I I don't expect you to overcompensate in any way or diminish yourself. If we can both meet just the way
And if
we
it's
are,
happening naturally.
if it happens naturally, fine. Otherwise, I have a couple of friends I'm in touch with who are not in the country. So honestly, on a regular basis, there's no one I hang with or anything, but I don't miss it. I'll be very honest with
To
you.
give a non-superstar side of this, so in the recent couple of years, I lost a lot of friends, and lost matlab I chose to walk away
Yeah.
from some. And then I realized over the past few years and stuff that I'm actually very
Better
happy.
for it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो ना it's already decaying somewhere,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, and you're just working hard to keep it alive and all of those things. And I feel if it's natural,
Yeah,
it's
you shouldn't
happening.
flog a dead horse.
Yeah,
na?
yeah, true.
Not to
About-
say we don't have fond memories of our
Yeah,
friends,
yeah,
but
of
you know,
course, of course.
you drift.
Of course,
you
of course.
grow apart, and it's a natural process of life, and I'm absolutely okay with it.
Yeah. बस मुझे लास्ट एक ऐसे ही आपसे सवाल पूछना था. What scripts are you reading? What are you thinking of doing? What is happening?
I'm reading lots of scripts, but only excited by the scripts that allow me the scope for fun.
Yeah.
बहुत हो गया ये serious बनना और you know I've enjoyed that phase.
Yeah.
But like I said, now I just don't want to take myself
Yeah,
that
yeah.
seriously.
I think-
And I feel generally when I'm watching films also, now I'm looking for that. So just to have fun.
Fantastic. And I think we love you in those. मतलब I personally, I love to see you when you are like शादी के side effects and all that.
Yeah.
I love seeing you.
I'm waiting to do something like that.
So cool. So thank you so much for coming, ma'am. First of all, it's like I
My
can't.
pleasure.
I can't express enough how happy I am. I think it'll take me another 5 or 6 months to believe that you came to my show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.